Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl MS460. This is the West Coast version, full-blown racing chainsaw or test chainsaw. These saws are a very high performance, not to be used for firewood cutting. And let me show you some of the features it has. It has the buckshot muffler on it, got the max flow filter system, and the motor has been modified. It has been torn down, decked, porting changed on it, enlarged ports, and the timing changed on it. And we'll fire it up and let you listen to it. If you have any interest in this West Coast big saw, just give the chainsaw guy a shout. All parts were OEM parts. There was no Chinese parts used on those. If you're going to build a chainsaw, I highly recommend that you go with the OEM parts. They are better quality than the Chinese imports. Any questions, give me a call, the chainsaw guy.